stop is Tenashiyamagi Station. Please change here for the Kellyang Railway and Asan Railway. The delta between the Kalagawa River and Tagawa Falls is called Targa Sinamoni. Simon-Kawanjinja Shrine, which is registered as a World Heritage Site, is located there.
다음은 네마츠야나기 에키마에입니다. K한전차, A산전차를 이용하실 승객께서는 여기서 환승해 주십시오.
대마치는 이 기마에